Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Vanesa Putri. You can call me Sasa. As always, I'm the third semester of English Language Teaching Department, of course in UIN Cyberseh Nurjati Cirebon. And now, I would like to tell you about my assignment, that is journal analysis. The title is Improving Student English Speaking Skill by Using Their Speaking Video Recording. The author is Swadi. The volume is Study of Applied Linguistics and English Educational Volume 1, Number 1, January 2019. Introduction. What I intend to do is to explain about one of the research projects that delved into changing EFL speaking English skill by using their speaking video recording. Then the primary aim of this research is to active their speaking skill ability. It was used their speaking video recording. By this, they did not only speak, but also involved in correcting, commenting, and evaluating their performance in speaking skill. It was productive solution to overcome their problem. And then the objective is to prove whether using the student speaking video recording was giving improvement to student speaking skill or not. Moreover, this study was expected to be reference for English educator in teaching speaking by using video, especially by using student speaking video recording. To find out whether or not learning through the student speaking video recording is improving their speaking skill, procedures, and method. The research was conducted in the first semester class of English Language Education Department in Sekolah Tinggi Agama Islam Negeri STAIN, Mandailing, Natal. The main problem was the lack of speaking skill of the student. There were some aspects affecting them while showing them speaking English, such as lack of self-confidence, fear of making mistake, poor vocabularies, and lack of ability to self-assess or self-correct in speaking. In the end, students never know how good or how bad their English speaking skill. To achieve this, they use class action research or CAR as the type of study which was supported by quantitative data of interpret that result of pre-test and post-test. In the progress of research, it consists of planning, acting, observing, and reflecting the problem to improve. In this study, the problem to be improved was student speaking skill. The researchers is collecting data in this study was the form of speaking video recording test of pre-test cycle 1 and speaking video recording test of post-test cycle 2. Next is result and finding. Now, we're moving on the results. The findings were gained through two cycles, namely cycle 1 of pre-test and cycle 2 of post-test. Each cycle, students improve their English speaking skill through their speaking video recording. Then, the data collect show that in the second cycle, clearly show a significant improvement of students' speaking skill than in the first cycle. In the second cycle, the pronunciation was being more accurate with little error, and fluency was being more natural with little pause. The word choice of vocabularies is more consistent and more appropriate with little inappropriate. And then the data results also show that the structure was accurate with little error. In addition, their self-confidence in speaking performance was also being more natural with little pause, and even for some was being full self-confidence. Next is referring to the reference. The research point out that based on the data, the comparison between cycle 1 and cycle 2 results significant improvement in student speaking skill. And then building on the earlier findings in this research, speaking skill was evaluated from 7 aspects. First is pronunciation, fluency, word choice, structure, self confidence, teamwork, and creativity. The general research conclusion was the spoken audio recording made by students effectively could improve student speaking skill. The difference with the current study is their research got students to make independently spoken audio recording. Meanwhile, this study gets the student to make independently a speaking video recording conclusion. We're going to the conclusion. To sum up, improving student English speaking skill by using their speaking video recording was effective improvement in student speaking skill by using student speaking video recording. The appropriate approach must be student centered, which will encourage their interest, motivation, curiosity, and performance. Student made video can be relevant answer for it in accordance students improvemental in improving their speaking skill. That's all from me. Thank you.